Hello, guys. Welcome to our Wix Studio series. Today, we are going to learn the basics of how you can start creating a website on the Wix Studio Editor. Let's go. On your workspace, click on Create New Site. Select how you'd like to create your new site. You can start from a blank canvas, start from a template, or generate a site structure with AI. Here, you'll also have the option to build with the classic Wix editor. Each of these will have a slightly different process, but will ultimately lead you to the Studio Editor. If you're new and are still testing the waters, you can start by using a template that you can simply customize. Here, select any template that you like. You can search and browse through Wix's large collection of templates. If you find something you like, hover over it and click on View to get a better look at it. You'll then enter a new tab where you can preview and interact with the template you selected. Once you decide that it's the one, click on Edit this template over here, and you'll now be taken to Wix Studio, where you can customize the site to make it your own. So similar to the Wix Classic Editor, you can use the tools over here on the left. Those tools are still present here, except that there are additional advanced tools added to the left panel. So here we had the Add Elements button. Here we also have the Layers button, Site Pages. We have the advanced visual sitemap, site styles, media, global sections, the app market, the My Business button, CMS, and we also have code where you can extend your site's functionality with code. Then we also have the site checker. So this is where you can fix responsive issues and fix accessibility issues. Then we have comments and help and tutorials. You can also edit elements individually when you click them. So if you click on an element, a panel on the right will appear where you can further customize your chosen element. Apart from the right panel, a floating menu will also appear. So feel free to customize your selected template however you want to. Your changes will automatically be saved since autosave is on. And if you wish to preview it, you can do that through the preview button on the upper right. And you'll also have more preview choices. So you can preview it on the editor, preview it as a test site, or preview it on a mobile device. Apart from that, you can also customize your site for not just mobile phones, but also tablets. And also make sure that you edit all of your pages, your mobile site, as well as your tablet site, preview and test it first before you publish it. And that's a quick overview on how to start creating a website with Wix Studio. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.